to talk about tools. This is Kendéll Lenice, the Remix Coach. Make sure you subscribe to my I want to talk about tools. What do I mean? As a life coach of 20 plus years, you hear life coaches talk about tools. You have the tools right in you that you need to help you get to the next place, or you have the tools to use to help you with procrastination. You have the tools to use to help you with self-doubt and fear and insecurities, and you have the tools to get you out of that anxiety and depression. You often hear people talk about the tools, right? But this is the thing. If I have a hammer and I don't know how to use that hammer, what good is that hammer to me? If I have a drill, no one's ever showed me how to use the drill, but I own a drill, what purpose is that giving me? How is my toolkit purposeful? Why? Because it's cute and because I have a toolkit in case of emergency, I can use it. But if I don't know how to fix nothing and I don't know what goes into what, right? What good is having the tools? So it's not that you have the tools. That's wonderful and nice. You're almost there. You have the tools. You have what it takes to be able to change your circumstance, to be able to grow in a certain area. But you have to be informed, not just equipped. So oftentimes we have the tools, and our tools are the things that we've learned from our past, the things that we've overcome. God is our biggest tool, and I say that in the most respectful way, to call on Him, right? We have resources, but if no one teaches us how to use the tool, then it's just a tool sitting over there getting dusty. So the thing is, you have to learn how to have self-control, how to control your emotions and feelings, how to overcome tragedies and triumph over your trials. That takes time. Just like you have an electrician or a maintenance person or someone that's a carpenter, somebody that's very good with tools. They didn't wake up one day and know how to build a house properly. And I say that properly because sometimes God gives us gifts and we know how to use the tools that we have as far as our gifts, right? So you might know how to build a wall, but then you have a skilled build-a-waller, a builder, right? Who will say, that's a great job in building that wall, but this is what it needs to be up to code. You have to do this, you have to do that, because it might look good because you have the gift, but you may not have the skill to use the tool well. So that has to be crafted, that has to be preyed upon, and that has to be taught. So as a life coach and a human being, I like teaching how to use the tool because I myself had tools and didn't know how to use them at times, plenty of times, but it's become through prayer and crafting and understanding and asking for help and really trying my best to know how to use the tools. And that's what I help people do. So, if you got a toolkit, I'm so happy. Everybody has a toolkit. You were born with gifts. You've had experiences that shaped you to help you get over these hurdles and jump over these trial moments and periods. So you all were born with toolkits. You just need someone to cultivate and help you use your tools well. So you can be the best carpenter you can be. So, of course, the carpenter himself, right? God will help you, but He puts people on this planet to help you, and He gives you experiences to help you through whatever time using the tools that you already have. This is Kendéll Lenice, the Remix Coach. For more information about me, visit KendellLenice.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, you are a star. Don't allow anyone to dim your shine. Now go get your tool belt on and go take a class and let somebody help you learn to use your tools the proper way. God bless y'all.